Acertus' proprietary Epod application, Vinlocity Carrier, is available for download in the Apple iOS App Store. You can download it in 4 simple steps. From your device's home screen, tap the App Store icon. Hit the search icon located at the bottom right of the App Store. Next, type Vinlocity Carrier into the search bar. After locating the app on the search results screen, tap Get to begin downloading and installing the application to your device. Open to operate at the highest level of efficiency. To register your license with Vinlocity Carrier, click the link entitled "Click here to register your mobile device," emailed to you by the Acertus team. Selecting this link will prompt you to open in Vinlocity. Select the Open icon. You'll be directed to the app's login screen. Confirm that the license and subdomain entered matches the information in your email. If the information is correct, you may click Login, and you've successfully registered and logged into the app.
How to navigate the load screen in the Vinlocity Carrier Epod application. The load screen is a summary of all current assigned loads as well as previously dispatched loads. There are 2 tabs at the top of the screen, Active and Delivered. Each tab displays pickup and delivery address and location information, as well as any documents needed such as gate passes. This screen also displays total VINs to be transported, as well as vehicle details. To refresh this page, simply swipe your finger down from the top of the screen. To view active loads, tap Active in the top left-hand corner of the screen. To view completed loads, tap Delivered in the top right-hand corner of the screen. To get more information and details on active and delivered loads, including viewing assigned loads and accessing pickup information and delivery instructions, tap on a load to open the Load Details screen. How to view a load in the Vinlocity Carrier Epod application. Loads are assigned to carriers by the Acertus dispatch team via our online load board, metroloads.com, or via phone by our dedicated dispatch team. When this process is complete, the rate agreement is emailed to the carrier. Loads will be assigned by your carrier. In special instances, carriers owned and operated by a single individual will receive and assign the loads themselves. First, from the Load Details screen, select Pickup or Delivery to access and display pickup and delivery location information. Next to the location address, tap the phone icon to access and display the location phone number. The map icon links to your GPS application and provides directions to the location. The text icon allows you to add notes to the order. Prior to pickup or delivery of a load, drivers need to set an estimated time of arrival for both pickup and delivery. Tap Set ETA to complete. Select the date and time of anticipated arrival at the pickup or delivery location. Tap Save ETA to continue. Upon arrival at the pickup location, tap on a VIN on your Load Details screen to start the vehicle inspection process. This will take you to the Vehicle Details screen. If a VIN is missing, a notification will appear on the screen as Needs VIN. Click the notification. In the pop-up text box, tap the barcode image to scan the VIN barcode. If you're unable to scan the vehicle, enter the VIN manually to verify the correct vehicle is being picked up. Tap Save to continue.